Today is September 12th, 2018. Today, Apple announced the new iPhone XS, the iPhone XS Max, and the iPhone XR. And in this video, we're going over how to pre-order the unlocked models of these devices. What's great is with an unlocked iPhone XS, you can use it on any carrier or network you choose and get some really great affordable cell service to complement your extraordinarily powerful Apple iPhone device. So the first thing you're going to want to do is head on over to iPhone in the navigation, and here you can select your model. The XR will not be available yet, but the XS will be available for pre-order starting this Friday, September 14th. So we're going to click on that, and we're going to click in the top right where it says View Pricing. From here, we're going to be able to select our models. We can either go with the XS with a 5.8-inch display or the XS Max with a 6.5-inch display. You can see the pricing here with Apple's iPhone upgrade program. If you are considering an unlocked device, unfortunately, the iPhone upgrade program does not offer unlocked devices. While you can switch between carriers, it does not support prepaid carriers at this time. So what you're going to want to do is select your device. I'm going to select the iPhone XS. And now we get to select our carrier. And this is where you can select unlocked. You can see Apple has an option, buy without a carrier, right at the bottom here. This is fantastic. Typically, Apple has been delaying this option later on after the initial release. Now with iPhone XS, it is available for pre-order right on launch day. So click that. Select your finish. I'm going to opt for the space gray color. Select your capacity. I'm going to opt for the insane 512 gigs of storage. And then we can review our order. So with this done, that is how you would be able to pre-order. You would click continue. This is going to be on Friday when this goes live. So there you go. That is how you pre-order your iPhone XS on launch day. You can see this will start at 12:01 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time on September 14th. If you scroll down on that day and time, you will be able to click this continue button and place your order. Along with ordering online, I'm also going to go over how to pre-order this device on the Apple Store application, which has a much higher chance of guaranteeing you'll receive your device when it comes out on September 21st. Jumping into the Apple Store application, the first thing you want to make sure is you're signed into your Apple account. You can do this by tapping the person icon and then signing in with your Apple ID. Once that's done, you're going to click on View Pricing for the iPhone XS. Here we can select our model, iPhone XS or iPhone XS Max. I'll go for the Max for this one. Then we can select our carrier. Again, right at the bottom, we have that SIM-free option. That's fantastic. We can choose our finish. I'm opting for space gray. Choose your capacity. I'll do 64 gigs. And now what you want to do is click the little heart icon in the top right-hand corner. This will save this configuration to your account. And now if you go back to Discover, you tap on your account and you go to Favorites, you can see, bam, right there. This is your favorite device. The day of the pre-order, that morning of the pre-order, you can jump into this application, immediately jump to your favorites, and bam, there's your device exactly how you want it. You'll be able to quickly proceed through the checkout process, get your order in, and have a more likely chance of receiving your iPhone on launch day, September 21st. Now, you may be wondering why to pre-order an unlocked device. It is very expensive, a rather high upfront cost, but it does allow you to get some extremely affordable plans with prepaid carriers. I'll be going over the best plans for the iPhone XS very soon. Another really important thing to note here is iPhone XS is dual SIM. That means you can have multiple SIM cards with multiple carriers active in this device at the same time. Jumping over to Apple's page about this to learn more, if you want to use two different carriers, your iPhone must be unlocked. So it's essential to get an unlocked iPhone XS if you want to take advantage of the dual SIM capabilities. Otherwise, you may be restricted depending on which carrier and plan you sign up for. This is if you were to order directly from Verizon, AT&T, Sprint, or T-Mobile. Buying unlocked and SIM-free is the best way to take advantage of the full features and capabilities the dual SIM iPhone XS has to offer. So there you go. That wraps up this video on how to pre-order the iPhone XS. Let me know what color and configuration you're going for in the comments section down below. I'm curious to find out. Also, let me know, what carrier and plan will you be using your new iPhone XS with? I think there's a lot of great options to choose from. I'm going to try and compile them and make a video going over the best cell phone plans for the iPhone XS. So subscribe for that. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Consider subscribing for more videos like this one. I'm Stetson. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.